We'll guide you through how to open PDF in Google Drive. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To open a PDF in Google Drive, begin by opening Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. Click the URL bar and type Google Drive, and press the Enter key on your keyboard to begin the search. From the search results, select the first link to access the Google Drive. Once the page loads, locate and click the Sign In button to access your private storage space. Choose the specific Google account you want to use. If a passkey request appears on the screen, simply click the Continue button to proceed. Then provide your passkey or unlock your account using your device's biometric sensor. If a prompt asks you to add a recovery phone number, click the Cancel option to dismiss it. You may also see a request for your home address. You can bypass this by clicking Skip. After completing the login process, you'll be inside your Google Drive workspace where you can manage and organize files. To keep your documents organized, start by creating a new folder. Click the plus New button on the left panel of the screen and select New Folder from the drop-down menu. When prompted, type Documents as the folder name to keep your files organized and easy to locate later. Click the Create button to confirm and add the folder to your Drive dashboard. Once the folder appears, open it by double-clicking the folder icon. Inside the folder, click the plus New button again to open the available file options. From the list that appears, choose File Upload. A file browser window will open on your computer, allowing you to navigate through your local files. Browse your folders until you find a specific PDF file you want to store online. Click the PDF file once to select it, then press the Open button to begin uploading the file to your Google Drive account. Watch the Upload Progress indicator and wait until the transfer is fully complete. After the upload finishes, the PDF will appear inside your Documents folder. To open and view the document, simply double-click the PDF file, and Google Drive will launch its built-in previewer, so you can immediately read or verify the contents.